This is not Toys R Us, honey. This is FAO Swartz. There's a difference. Hey, socialites. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a socialite. So today I'm going to be reviewing a fragrance that I've been wearing nonstop since I got it about 3 or 4 days ago. And that's Ginger Biscuit from Jo Malone. Now, for some reason, this is a fragrance that I've never heard of before. When I was doing my Sephora haul and shopping in Sephora, I'm looking for fragrance gift sets, and then I come across this, sprayed it on my skin, and it was over with. I went home and I just kept talking about it, kept smelling my hand, and I just knew when Sephora opened in the morning, I was going to be the first one in line. Now, Ginger Biscuit is a new fragrance to me, but it's not a new fragrance. It actually launched in 2016 as a limited edition fragrance, and they relaunch it every couple years or so. I don't think it comes out every year, but I think every few years they sort of bring it back like they did this year. For me, Ginger Biscuit can be described as sugar, spice, and everything nice. It's given all of that. It's holiday in a bottle. Ginger Biscuit is described as a vanillic, warm, spicy caramel scent, and it has notes of caramel, vanilla, hazelnut, ginger, cinnamon, tonka bean, and nutmeg. It smells like a warm gingerbread cookie fresh out of the oven. So it's very much a literal gourmand. So keep that in mind. It literally smells like a gingerbread cookie, but it has just the right amount of ingredients in it, you guys. It's so beautiful. It just smells like the holiday season. But what I love the most about this fragrance is it's not too much of anything in here. So when you think about a gingerbread cookie, you know how some gingerbread cookies can be a little bitter? It has too much nutmeg or too much cinnamon. This is not that. It's a warm gingerbread cookie that has the right amount of ginger, the right amount of cinnamon, the right amount of sugar, the right amount of nutmeg. It's very well blended and well rounded. I absolutely love it. It's not too syrupy sweet either, so don't think it's gonna be super cloying and too much and overbearing. When I tell you they put the right amount of those spices in there, and the way Jo Malone gave a luxe feel to it is so top tier. Some people may think because this is a gingerbread cookie smelling fragrance that it's gonna give Bath and Body Works. It's not that. It gives you the luxe vibes of Jo Malone. This is not Toys R Us, honey. This is FAO Swartz. There's a difference. I love the touches that they brought to the packaging by adding this cute little stripe bow on here. It does have the signature shape of how Jo Malone typically does their bottles, but they re-released it in the dark amber color, which I feel like gives gingerbread cookie. I love it. The actual box that it came in resembles an actual gingerbread cookie with the touches around the edges and the same matching bow here. I think that was a gorgeous touch, especially for a $168 fragrance. It only launched in the one size, which is the 3.4 ounce. But to be honest, you're gonna want the 3.4 ounce if you love this fragrance. For me, this is a casual scent. This is something I would wear more so to run errands or wear to the mall. Just wear it all holiday season long anywhere you go. But I would also wear this to the holiday party. You know how like at work they'll have the party while you're at work during the day where you can just come in and munch on stuff, and they have hot chocolate and marshmallows and sugar cookies while you're at work during a little holiday get together. This is where you wear that too. This is something you would wear on Christmas Day or just any day during the holidays, y'all. This is the cable knit sweater fragrance. This is very much giving cashmere sweater. It gives luxurious vibes. It smells like you paid a little bit of coin for it. After about 2.5 hours, it does start to wear closer to the skin, and after 4 hours, I feel like I have to reapply. But for me, it smells so good. This is a fragrance I wouldn't mind putting in one of my travel sprays, decant it, put it in my purse, and reapply every 4 hours because it just smells that yummy. It isn't something that I would wear to date night unless it was like a Netflix and chill type of night. I don't feel like there's an age to this fragrance. It's not juvenile and it's not super mature either. This is just for the person that likes gourmands and wants to smell like a sweet cookie and wants something that brings them the holiday vibes. I love it. Comment down below. Let me know if you've smelled it yet and if you love it too. I picked it up from Sephora, but I have seen it on sale other places, so I'll put the link links down below in the description box for you. If you're new here, welcome. Most of my content is beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if that's your type of content that you love to watch on your free time, I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scar.